loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. I know I say this all the time, but I promise to get back on a regular like filming schedule. I've just been working so much, it's like hard to film. Jojo is joining us today, apparently. And we're gonna be doing the no mirror makeup challenge, which I'm terrified about because I don't think I can do it. I just think it's gonna turn out bad, like really bad. It's gonna be bad. Also, I'm blonde again now. I don't know if you're new here. I was blonde before. I changed my hair color a lot, and I'm not supposed to because my hair's fried. But you know, whatever. We're just gonna. You're only young once. YOLO. That was so ugly. Look at this little nugget. All right, and then I have a mirror right here. Okay, I'm gonna be setting it down right now. And I have a viewfinder where I can see myself. I'm gonna turn it around. This is when it gets really scary. I have nothing to look at. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna look at that giant laundry pile on the floor. Oh, this little nugget's back. All right, I'm turning the screen around. And just so I can prove it, I'm gonna Snapchat it. I'm turning it around. Watch, ready? I'm missing a thumbnail. Don't make fun of me. Whoop. All right, I have no mirror. I have nothing. To start off, I'm going not to prime my face because I'm going to be removing this, so there's no use in wasting primer. So I'm gonna be going in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage. Yes, I'm missing both thumbnails. I just wanna let you know. I don't know how it happened. It just did. We're gonna accept it and move on. LA Girl Pro Coverage High D High Definition High D Long Wear Illuminating Foundation, and I'm in 646 Beige. I'm going to be going in with my very dirty foundation brush because I am too lazy to wash these, the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80. I'm going to be taking about 2.5 pumps of this because I find 3 to be too much, I found 2 to be too little. And we're going. Okay, so I think the thing I'm most worried about is the brows because you literally, it's such precision work. I don't know. Okay. And I guarantee I'm gonna miss some spots on my face. But we're gonna try to rely on old muscle memory. I'm sorry, I'm turning my nose ring the other way so I don't get makeup on it. I think it's going good. What do you guys think? I don't know, this is really weird. I got nothing to look at. I'm also kind of worried about my hairline. I don't know if you can see him, but he's in my lap. Hi! Hi, Bubs! I feel like I'm not blending it. Am I? I don't know. I feel like I'm putting on a lot. I feel like I'm putting on more than I usually do. Or maybe this is how much I put on every day and I'm just a drama queen. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Nope, I'm not. I lied. Okay, for concealer, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in yellow. I can't even feel how much I'm putting on. Was that a lot? Felt like a lot. I'm gonna poke myself in the eye, send myself to the ER over this video. Okay. Bridge my nose, chin, burp, burp. And I'm going to set my under eye with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Contouring Palette Contour. I don't really understand why you had to put that twice, Wet n Wild, but okay. I'm using the yellow. I don't know, guys. Oh no, I don't know. How's that? Good? Feels good. Just gonna do what I normally do. If I can do this, I can get ready in the dark. Something I've always aspired to do. No, it's not. I don't know why I said that. It feels good. That feels good? Am I wrong? Okay, now for the under eye. I can't feel the product. Like it doesn't feel like anything. I'm gonna set it. Other eye. I'm going in with my Ben Nye Neutral Set, and this is just a colorless powder. This stuff is so messy. Literally accounts for like 90% of the dust in my room, especially because I'm like not careful with it at all, and I really don't care where it goes. I'm just kind of like, fly, Gina, fly. I don't know who Gina is. You know, I feel like I've been doing my makeup for so long, like every day, you think that this would turn out flawless. At least the face. I'm not really counting on the brows being too great. That scares me a lot. Because like you're literally drawing a brow on. If you guys have a good setting powder for oily skin, can you leave it down below? Because I like this powder, but I get so oily throughout the day and I can't find a single setting powder that like doesn't make me oily. We're going in with the same Wet n Wild palette, but I'm going in with the brown shade and I'm just gonna wing it. Or I think it's supposed to go. It's usually where it goes. I don't know if that's too strong, I don't know. Temples. Forehead. Chin. Chin? Jawline? Okay, that feels bad. I don't know, you can't, I don't know. How many times have I said I don't know? Take a shot every time I say I don't know. All right, nose time, but there was not a mirror on this, just so we're clear. Okay. All right. That feels weird. Just gonna kind of blend it. It's brow time. I'm so scared. I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and this is in chocolate, and my Anastasia number 12 brush. This feels like my brow. Oh, that felt far. All right, where am I going? No. Oh no. What's going on? Am I even filling it in? Oh, I just went off the line. I can feel it. I just went off. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna fade them, I think. Oh my god, this is scary. Hope for the best. This one's my bad brow, so this one's gonna be real bad. Yep, that felt terrible. I have no clue what's going on. I'm so tempted to pick up a mirror. You don't understand. The urge is real. Nope. 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 All right, we're gonna call that one a day. I don't know. I'm scared. I don't know. Now it's time for blush. I'm gonna be going in with my Luminoso, my Milani Luminoso Baked Powder Blush. For highlight, I'm gonna be going in with my Becca Champagne Pop, and it's broken as heck. I tried to fix it with the alcohol trick. I don't think I did it right because it's still, okay, yeah. I'm really bummed about it because this stuff is amazing. This has a mirror on it, but rest assured, I'm not looking in it. This. I'm gonna do down my nose. I'm gonna do my go-to eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be going in with Silk Cream, this one, and a big fluffy brush, and just running this as my transition color. I'm taking my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm going to be going into, I believe it's Pukey. Yeah, Pukey, which is this one right here, and putting this in my crease and trying to blend the crap out of it because I don't know what I'm doing. It's probably gonna be like so ugly. I'm gonna go back in my blending brush and try to blend that out. Like, I don't do eyeshadow every day, so I don't I don't know how to feel like when I'm supposed to stop blending. I mix Obsessed and SBN right here. I'm going to wet my E55 with my Smashbox primer water and mix those two together. I don't know what's going on. Just gonna run the blending brush over that and do the same thing to the other eye. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back in with that Roxanne color. Run that under my lash line while probably getting it into my contacts. Surprised, I'm really actually very surprised I haven't poked myself in the eye yet. But you know, the day is still young. And I'm gonna blend it out with Pukey. I usually put some beige eyeliner in my waterline, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX Wonder Pencil and just line my, I think I'm lining my waterline with this. Now I'm going to put mascara on before I put my falsies on, and I'm using the Essence Lash Princess, and this is the pink one. It's the volume one. And just coating my lashes with this. Oh god, this is scary as hell. For lashes, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorites, the Ardell Wispies. This is the 113. They're a little more dramatic than the typical Wispies. Let's try this. Oh. Okay, I don't know. I'm not doing the tweezers. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Oh, dear Lord. I feel like the best approach to this is to apply it with the tweezer and then adjust it with my finger. I think. I don't know. Nope, that inner corner feels really wrong. Is this the last step? I believe this is the last step. I'm gonna be going in with my Urban Decay lipstick in Stark Naked. That wasn't hard, I hope. And then my Ulta matte lip cream in Bestie. Yeah, Bestie. I only put a little bit of this on. That didn't feel like a little bit. I mean, that felt like nothing. I'm going to pick my mirror up and reveal what I look like. All right, I haven't looked at it yet. I'm gonna flip the viewfinder around without looking. And oh no, it's not actually that bad. Oh, the brows. The inner corner on this lash is so bad. I mean, it's not terrible. Oh God, this brow. Did I say this was my bad brow? This one looks better than this one. The foundation isn't bad though, like my contour is not muddy. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Do you see this lash? Like, it's nowhere near my inner corner. This one's not terrible, but these brows though. What was I doing? This one too. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun being nervous the whole time. Alright guys, I will see you next week, I promise, for my next video. If you guys want to see my next video, just hit that subscribe button below or the notification bell so you get notified when I post. And I will link all my social media down below if you guys want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves!